Installing hybrid rigid core flooring is a durable and efficient way to enhance any interior space. While the process is straightforward, proper preparation and technique are essential for long-term performance. In this guide, we'll walk through each step of the installation process, from preparation to finishing. Here is your essential toolkit: measuring gear, wall spacers, cutting tools, pull bar, rubber mallet, safety equipments, and a shop vac. Let's get to work. Before starting, inspect all planks carefully under good lighting. Inspect planks for defects before installation. To achieve a natural look, mix planks from multiple boxes during installation. Ensure the room conditions are appropriate. Temperature should be between 65 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, with humidity between 35 and 70%. This product is designed for indoor use only and should never be installed over carpet. A flat, clean, and dry subfloor is critical for a successful installation. Remove any debris, adhesive residue, nails, or staples. Check the surface for flatness. High spots should be sanded down, and low areas should be filled using a leveling compound. For concrete subfloors, ensure the slab has properly cured and meets moisture requirements. If needed, install a moisture barrier, overlapping seams to ensure full coverage. Plan the layout before beginning installation. Install planks parallel to the longest wall or main light source for the best visual effect. Use spacers along all walls and fixed structures to maintain a 3/8-inch expansion gap. This gap allows the flooring to expand and contract naturally. Begin installation in the left-hand corner of the room. Place the first plank with the tongue side facing the wall, maintaining the expansion gap with spacers. Attach the second plank by inserting the tongue into the groove at an angle, then lowering it until it locks into place. Continue along the first row, connecting each plank end to end. When reaching the last plank, measure and cut it to fit while maintaining spacing. Start the second row using the cut piece from the previous row to create a staggered pattern. Ensure joints are offset by at least 12 inches for stability and visual balance. To install a plank, angle it slightly and insert the long side tongue into the groove of the previous row. Lower it gently until it clicks into place. Then connect the short end to the adjacent plank. Continue row by row, ensuring each plank locks securely without forcing it. You should feel a smooth connection as the locking system engages. Continue installing planks across the room, maintaining alignment and tight joints. Check periodically to ensure the layout remains straight. Use a rubber mallet if needed to gently secure connections, avoiding excessive force. Maintain consistent spacing along all edges. When you reach the final row, measure the remaining space and cut planks lengthwise to fit. The final row should be at least 2 inches wide. For door frames, trim the bottom so planks can slide underneath. For pipes or irregular shapes, measure carefully and cut openings that allow for expansion space. Once installation is complete, remove all spacers. Install baseboards or quarter-round molding to cover expansion gaps. Ensure molding is attached to the wall, not the floor, to allow proper movement. Use transition moldings in doorways or larger spaces where expansion is required. Maintain your flooring with regular cleaning using a broom, dry mop, or vacuum designed for hard surfaces. For deeper cleaning, use a damp mop with water or a neutral pH cleaner. Avoid excessive moisture, steam mops, or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the flooring. With proper installation and care, hybrid rigid core flooring delivers lasting durability, comfort, and style.